So what did
Hey,
you So what did you do to it?
oh, I massaged it just a bit, inside and out. Can't tell you everything, but I'll tell you a few things. We got the compression up. We changed we put in the kit cams. We degreed it properly, and put in the kit electronics and the kit ECU, and we put in the one of the works maps, and it fuels up really nice. So I think you're gonna have a lot of fun. It's got a really nice power band.
And the rest of the things.
It's got some, the mags are gonna help you accelerate and stop faster than it did before. It's gonna amplify your brakes because the wheels are lighter. It's also gonna amplify the acceleration being lighter at the rear. You'll have to get used to it. Again. It shouldn't be too much different than the 05 except for the new technology, but the ergonomics seem pretty close.
So let's start at the beginning. Mag wheels. What did you do to the brakes?
Nothing.
I see.
Lighter wheels improve the braking.
Brembo master cylinder.
Oh yes, okay. We definitely changed the master cylinder, but the Brembo calipers are good enough, I think, for club racing or track days. These calipers are going to do just fine for you. We could always go to the next level if you like. So we put in a cartridge kit inside the forks, an Ohlins, and we got an Ohlins rear shock. Got it all set for your weight.
Which is 160 pounds, right?
No, 195.
Oh, okay.
Wet. Sweaty leathers.
With Brents.
Sweaty leathers, that's wet. So,
and let's see here. We got the acro, the full acro. We got the Yosh ECU.
the kit electronics, the harness was all different. So we did away with a lot of the little plastic things that we initially thought had to fit in there. So it was simpler than we thought, but it looked more complicated because it had all these pieces and we didn't know where they fit. So this is the first late model kit injection that I've done in a while. So it took a little while to figure out where everything went.
So are you gonna offer a Carrie Andrew special now for everybody?
No. You're pretty persuasive in your arm twisting, and I got to do this for you. But I don't know that I want to do this a whole lot more.
But now that you know how to do it, you can just replicate it, right? You can just do like a limited series.
Oh, replicating it is easy, but just starting on a new project that you haven't done before it takes a lot of research, and it's a new puzzle that you got to figure out. So it's kind of fun, but it takes time, and time is getting short for me.
Okay. How did you like that new engine with the variable valve timing?
I really like it. I think the metallurgy of today allows them to do incredible things, downsizing everything, and they are so far ahead of from what we were when we started racing. It's mind-boggling, and it's just a shame it's got to end. Damn these electric bikes.
Yeah, I'm not going to be riding one of those.
No, I don't think any of us will be, but within 5 to 10 years, who knows what's going to happen.
Yeah, I'd rather not ride than ride an electric bike.
I don't know. Well,
Yeah.
I cross that bridge when I come to it, but for now, I like my Bandit. I just want to ride.
All right, well, there you have it, folks. This is the new toy. And we'll figure out how it rides when it's finally ready. There's a few more pieces with the fairing, and that's about it. So thank you.